bullies in here, please take a look at this. 40% of boys identified as bullies between 6th through 9th grade have 3 or more arrests by the time you're 30. So that means as a kid, you like fighting. As an adult, people don't tolerate grown-ups who can't keep their hands to themselves, right? They have a couple places for you. One is jail and one is someplace else that you don't want to be, all right? So if you are a bully, and a lot of times, let me say this, hurting people what? Hurting people what? Absolutely. So the reason why the bully is going around hurting people, because something on the inside of them is hurting. So we also have to have some compassion for the bully as well.